How to withdraw money from Opay Owealth. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily transfer money from your Owealth to your Opay balance. Open up your Opay account and make sure to log into it. And on your homepage, you'll find the Owealth option right below airtime. Just tap on it. Once you land on the Owealth page, you'll see your Owealth total balance, and you just want to have to tap on the withdraw option. Now from here, you have two options that you can select from. Either you can withdraw to your Opay balance or your bank account. So if you want to choose any one of them, just tap on it and then enter your amount. So if you want to enter all, tap on all and it'll transfer all of your Owealth balance to your Opay balance. Now, if you've selected your bank account and tapped on next, here you just have to enter your bank details. But if you have tapped on the Opay option, you will get this option to confirm that you want to withdraw to your Opay balance. Then tap on OK and your transaction is now successful. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.